Take command of the road in the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.